Hello everyone, I am Sarvari Joshi and you are welcome to Learn Everything Online. I am your instructor for all your maths videos. Today we are going to learn the magic of 12's table. We never noticed, but 12's table is very magical. Let's see the way to write the table first. Now what I am doing is I am dividing the table in boxes in order for you to understand it properly. So first we have written 12 into 0 to 12 into 4 in the first table. The next table is from 12 into 5 to 12 into 9. The next table is 12 into 10 to 12 into 40. And the last table is 12 into 15 plus 12 into 19. So in this video, we are going to learn how to write 12's table till 12 into 90. So let's see the first side. Now for writing this first side, what we have to do is we have to write the numbers in the numerical series like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as we have written here. But for the next table, we have to skip the number 5 and we have to start from the 6. So we have written 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. For the next table, we have to skip number 11 and write it from 12. So we have written 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And for the next table, we have to skip the number 17 and write from 18. So we have written 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So our one side is over. But what about the other side of the answer? So for the other side of the answer, we have to write numbers in this order 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, which is basic even numbers, and we have to write this 5 numbers in order in every table in order to get the correct answer. So now previously we had one side written, now we'll write the other side, which is 12 zeros are 0, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. Next 12 fives are 60, which is again 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, 12 8s are 96 and 12 9s are 108. Next table again it starts from 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, which is 12 into 10 is 120, 12 11s are 132, 12 12s are 144, 12 13s are 156, 12 14s are 168. Again in the next table we start with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and also the previous. So 12 15s are 180, 12 16s are 192, 12 17s are 204, 12 18s are 216, 12 19s are 228. And here we finish our table. Thank you. Any questions? You can comment them down below. So did you find this video helpful? Solve this kind of sums and share this video with all your friends. Do comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.